Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress for beginners. To begin, you will need a web host and a domain name. Many hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installation, making setup incredibly simple. Once installed, you can access your site's administrative area. WordPress is a powerful, free, and open-source content management system that powers over 43% of all websites worldwide, offering immense flexibility for your online presence. The WordPress dashboard is your central hub for managing everything on your website. On the left-hand side, you will find menus for creating new posts and pages. The intuitive block editor allows you to easily add text, images, and even videos to your content. Remember to use categories and tags to organize your information, making it simple for visitors to find what they need. Your website's appearance is determined by its theme. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes, allowing you to choose a design that perfectly suits your brand. The Customizer tool lets you easily modify colors, fonts, and header images. You can preview all your changes in real time before making them live, ensuring your site looks exactly as you envision. Plugins are powerful tools that extend your WordPress site's functionality. Whether you need search engine optimization, enhanced security, or a contact form, there is likely a plugin for it. The WordPress directory offers over 60,000 free plugins. Remember to regularly update your plugins to ensure your website remains secure and performs optimally, providing the best experience for your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.